Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this messy boho inspired half up half down hairstyle. To start, I'm just going to wrap sections of hair around my curling tong, and then as they come off the tong just give them a tug so they're not too tight. And then just keep taking small sections, alternating the way you curl them. So sometimes I curl them towards the face, sometimes away from the face. When you've curled the whole head, add some texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. Then just use your fingers to section out the crown area of the hair and secure this into a clear elastic band. Add some more texture spray to that crown area, and then we're gently going to use our fingers to pinch and pull at the hair to give it a messier look. Now I'm going to take the two side sections right near that crown area, and I'm going to move that first little ponytail up and out of the way for later. Bring those two side sections together at the back of the head and secure them into another ponytail. And then let down that top ponytail. Now we're going to split that top ponytail in half. And we're simply going to bring that bottom ponytail up through the middle of the top one. So bring it up and clip it to the head to keep it out of the way. Now gather those two ends together, and we're just going to tie them together with another elastic band. Then we're going to release that top ponytail down again, and then use our fingers to gently pinch and pull at the side of that top ponytail to really ramp up the volume of this braid. So we're going to take that top ponytail again, split it in half, bring that bottom ponytail up through the middle of it and clip it to the head to keep it out of the way. Gather that ponytail together with another elastic band, and then release that top ponytail down. And again, pinch and pull at those side sections to create a voluminous pull-through braid. And we're basically going to carry on doing this same technique, so splitting the ponytail in half and pulling the bottom one up through the middle of it. I've gone quite a long way down the head because my model's got long hair, but you can stop whenever you're happy. So just keep working your way down the hair, creating your sections and pinching and pulling for fullness. And I'm just working on my last section now. And we're going to leave that top ponytail just hanging through the middle loose. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.